Welcome to Easy Living for Me, where I share the little things that make life a little easier. From what I eat, how I move, what I do, where I go, what I wear, and even how the stars align. It's all about finding the calm with the chaos. Real life, real vibes, just sharing my journey in hopes it'll help you find your version of easy living too. This is Easy Eats, 5 real life meals I make for my family at home. Rated on my personal scale from complexity from 1 to 5. Nothing fancy, just real food that gets the job done and tastes good. Meal number 1, pork chops, potatoes and onions, and a spinach salad. Here I'm peeling the potatoes. Then I'm going to chop up some onions to go with my fried pork chops. I keep it simple with a fresh spinach salad, just a little seasoning, vinegar, and olive oil. Easy, flavorful, no drama. Meal 2 is chili night. Here are the ingredients. I'm sauteing some onions, then I'll brown my beef and add my seasonings. I'll rinse off my beans and add my tomatoes and my tomato sauce. I let it cook for a little while so the flavors can marinate. Then it's all about the toppings, crackers, cheese, and more onions. It's all about what you like. Meal 3, sticky chicken, cabbage, and bread. We call this sticky chicken growing up. Wash your chicken, season it how you like, and toss it in a pan with butter on top. Cover it so it browns, then flip. The butter caramelizes and gives it that sticky goodness. I fried up some shredded cabbages with some bacon to add flavor. Stir occasionally so it doesn't burn or stick. Then I add some bread and meal complete. Meal number 4, turkey cabbage flatbread. So I'm sauteing some onions, adding some ground beef, then tossing in the rest of the shredded cabbage that I had from yesterday's bag. Heat up some naan bread and pile on the goodness. I like to add a little dressing for extra flavor. Meal number 5, deviled eggs, salad, and store-bought lasagna. This is a struggle meal, but make it cute. Boil the eggs, peel, cut, mix, fill, and hit it with some smoked paprika. Mm. I made a garden salad using prepackaged lettuce, grape tomatoes, black olives, banana peppers from the jar, and croutons. Yes, I seasoned my salads too. And to round it out, I cooked a frozen box lasagna and tossed in some store-bought breadsticks in the oven. It's all about ease. Here are some of my go-to tips. And trust me, this isn't giving expert chef energy. Just somebody trying to feed their family. So tip number one, quick marinate. I don't have hours to marinate meat like overnight. I mean, really, who has the foresight for that? Half the time, I don't even know what I want to eat when I'm hungry. So I season my meat first, then I let it sit and soak up the flavors while I prep my sides. Tip number two, seasoning station. Before I start, I put all of my seasonings and set them aside for easy access. That way, I'm not opening tin cabinets, getting meat juice all over the place. Every little bit helps. Tip 3, shallow fry technique. I don't always deep fry. Sometimes I just coat the bottom of the pan and let the meat fry. It still has a nice crisp to it. Instead of just soaking it in a bath of oil and flour, I just dust the flour right over the meat. Less mess, less waste. Tip number 4, tools. This is about doing things easy, making it simple, more efficient, and saving time, but not at the cost of safety. Rushing ain't my style, so I go slow, careful, and intentional. Safety is part of easy living. Here I'm using a potato peeler to help me finish the job efficiently and expediently. I'm not trying to cut myself. And tip number 5, make it work for you. For me, every day is different, so I adjust. I'm not big on meal prepping. I don't mind eating leftovers, but 2 days are pretty much my max. Some meals take a little longer, and some shortcuts don't look so fancy, but they work. Easy living isn't about perfection, it's about making it doable. So that's my 5 meals and tips. Simple, safe, and a little love. If this helped or gave you a little inspo, like, subscribe, and drop your favorite go-to meals or tips in the comments. We're all about sharing and keeping it easy over here. Thank you for watching and blessings.